What's going on, stackers? So in this video we're going to be talking all about how to create a journal to sell on Amazon KDP using tangent templates. Now, my name is Paddy and welcome to Stacking Profit. Over here, we give you the tools and resources to learn, grow, and master passive income streams so that you can live a life of freedom. Now, today's video is sponsored by the LCB Vault. This is our own online education program teaching you everything I know about low and no content book publishing. So if you're interested in checking out the Vault, click that link down in the description below. Now, like I said, this video is all about selling low content books, well, mainly journals and notebooks using tangent templates and Amazon KDP. Now, I'm not going to make this video mega long. I'm actually going to create it quite short because we have another couple of videos already on the channel which you can go and check out. Now, with tangent templates, this is a must go-to tool when it comes to low and no content book publishing. Main reason being they have all these interiors just here, but then they have all of these different tools as well. Now, I do highly recommend grabbing tangent templates. I think you can get it for $59, and if you look around you can get a $10 off coupon code. Now, what we actually need to create the books is an interior, and tangent templates has quite a lot, as we can see just here. But as this is all about selling a notebook or a journal, that's the interior that we're going to need. So if we scroll down to here, and we can see journal paper just here. So all we would need to do is come here, do this, choose the trim size. Most notebooks are 6x9. We would want a 99 page count. Main reason being you would actually create a first page, the this journal belongs to page, and then put it together with this interior, which would make it up to 100 pages. We don't need bleed, so we're going to click no. Bleed is all, well, no, that came out wrong. You only need to tick bleed if you have lines and or images that go right to the edge of the page. And because this is just a journal where the lines go near the edge of the page, we do not need the bleed. But if we had lines that went all the way to the edge or images around, then we would need bleed. So let's click no and click down. So that's the interior. Really simple. Now, there would be a couple of things that you would need to do. First, actually downloading that, it wouldn't let me, so there we go. That's the interior. We have it down here. Now what I want you to do is come over to check out this playlist. What I'll do is I'll link it right there right now in the right hand corner, because this playlist will help you out a lot. Now, I do suggest actually going through and watching all of the videos in this Canva playlist, but if you haven't got the time, then I'm going to recommend the ones that you need. So this one is a good one, how to get the dimensions and template for your low content books. So that is all using tangent templates. Then you would want to use this one as well, Canva tutorial. So this is a half an hour long video, but I show you exactly how to create a really nice looking cover. Now, the good thing about this is that it's not that complicated to understand. I break it down so you can follow along and create really nice covers as well. Now, over the next couple of weeks, I do actually have a brand new course coming out. It's going to be completely free, and it's all going to be about Canva and creating books. So be on the lookout for that. But that's another one that you want to watch. Then if we scroll down to, where is it? So I don't actually think I put it in here. It is how to merge PDFs together. So if we go back over to the Stacking Profit channel and then just go to search and type in merge, let that load up. So this is one that you'd want to watch as well, because with this will show you how to create a front cover, not a front cover, a front page in CANVA and then merge it together with the PDF, the interior that you got from Tangent Templates. So what I'll do is I'll link this video as well. No, not that one. Where is it? Here it is. So I'll link this one as well right now in the right hand corner so you can go through and watch it. But they're all the videos that you need to actually get the book created. So again, you're going to find all the resources that you need just in this one video to create your book. So I could have put all this information into one video, but that video would have been mega long. We're looking at a video that would have been over an hour long, but with all the resources that I just shared with you with this one, merging low content interiors together, and then with this playlist as well, that's everything you need to know, or pretty much everything that you need to know to get a book created and then sell it on Amazon KDP. So have a look through this playlist. There's some really great tutorials in this one that will really help you out. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been StackinProfit, and I'll see you again soon.